Hello everyone, welcome back to another anti-haul and a wishlist video where I talk about products I'm not gonna buy and products which made it to my wishlist. And without any further ado, let's get started. So before I start showing you any of the products, myself Anjana, my channel name is Bronzing Geek 5 and I do make content on makeup, skincare, personal care, sometimes fashion, and sometimes I end up vlogging as well. So you will see a mix of content onto my channel, and I do post original content only. So do consider subscribing if you really loved watching today's video. It will really mean a lot to me. Now talking about today's video, this video I make once in 3 months. It's a very occasional video, but the whole purpose of this video is not everything launched in the market to be bought, and we need to give a little thought before we just straight away grab that new launch, because we already have a lot in our vanity. Me being a content creator, take that liberty to buy a little extra because this is my work. I need to review a product, I need to test the product, experience the product, and that's why a lot happens around me. But you being a subscriber and a follower and watching as a customer, wherein you just want to understand a product before buying, give a little thought and then buy a product. And there are very valid questions you should ask yourself. How many times will you be using the product? Will you be really using the product? And how many of the same kind of products you already have in your vanity? And then you decide, yes, this is made for me and this is not made for me. And by the end of this video, you will definitely have a lot going into your anti-haul segment than your wish list, because when I see my basket on Nykaa, I do see a lot has gone into my anti-haul and a very few products landed into my wish list. So let's just start with the first product, because I had to give you that information and put it right in front of you, because I really don't want you to be buying every single launch. Now I have put everything in my Nykaa cart so that the work gets easier and quicker. And you will be seeing the images onto the screen because I've not bought these products. And whatever I make it to my wish list, उसमें से भी बहुत बार ऐसा होता है that I don't end up buying everything, because by the time I have to buy it, there are reasons which convinces me that no, Anjana, you don't need this. So that's how we're going to help each other. Now the first product is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Panorama Waterproof Mascara. The product is priced at $999. Firstly speaking, the captivating thing was here the packaging on the mascara, and the L'Oreal mascaras are always good. I do feel they say waterproof mascara, but their waterproof mascaras are also not very waterproof. They're very nicely done waterproof mascaras. They don't get very sticky onto the lashes and your makeup remover is not able to wipe it off. So I'm pretty much interested in this mascara because I use only mascaras. I don't use false lashes. And in the past I have always enjoyed all the L'Oreal mascaras, but yes, it gets a little expensive onto the pocket. Is $999. I will wait for a good discount and then only buy, because I happened to last see a good discount in the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. That time I did not buy because I already had spent a lot of money that time, so I had to skip it. So yes, this mascara I am definitely buying, so it lands up into my wish list. Now let's move on to the next product by Kay Beauty, the Kay Beauty Hyper Gloss Liquid Luminizing Highlighter. Now frankly speaking, this highlighter I really wanted to buy and I was just about to buy, but for some reason I went to the Nykaa store. Basically I went to Ambience Mall in Delhi and I was like, let me just check out this product with my bare eyes, and if I really like it, I will just buy it from the store. Why do I need to buy from Nykaa website? And I went to the store and I did swatch the product, and frankly speaking, after swatching the product, I did not feel the urge of buying it, because I felt, how many times am I going to use this liquid highlighter? Because I don't use liquid highlighters in general. In the past, if I have bought liquid highlighters, I've not used them as much. वो expire हो गए हैं and I've thrown them away. But formula wise, if I say, since I did swatch the product, it is very nice, but not something I would love to use it onto my skin. So for those reasons, I'm not going to buy it, because it is extremely highlighting. Secondly, I don't know what's the best way to use it, because I don't like mixing highlighters into my foundation. I don't like to put an extra beaming highlighter onto my face. I like something subtle, just blends into my other products and look like the skin like highlighter. So this is something booming. So if you're someone who likes to wear short dresses or like off shoulder, then you buy this highlighter. I think this highlighter will work best that way, not putting onto the face. So for those reasons, I'm not going to buy this, and this landed up into my anti-haul list. Quickly moving into this video, next up I have a product which I know I'm gonna buy very soon. Is the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Smoky Eye Kohl Gel. It is in the shade brown. This is the newly launched shade. Now I have already used their black one. I absolutely loved it, and I like the price point here. Abhi bhi ye discount pe hai. It is priced at $599, but after discount it's showing $575. Further it will be more discounted. So I will wait for a good discount and I'll buy this because I really like the black one. Because the staying power, the smoothness, the color payoff is really nice. For those reasons, I'm definitely buying this one. Moving on to a Nykaa product. So Nykaa is also being launching quite a lot of product, but I'm still not understanding why they're not launching something which not every brand has done it. Like example, a bronzer. I really don't understand why Indian brands are not getting good bronzers. They end up getting the same thing which every other brand is doing, and every other brand is actually coming out with same sort of products. Sorry to say, but everyone is doing the same thing, and Nykaa also was not behind. So they happened to launch their Nykaa Cosmetic Lip Glaze High Pigment Lip Gloss Oil. Every brand has it, I feel now. थोड़े बहुत बच गए होंगे, उनके भी हाई जाएंगे. But this is priced as $599. The only reason I don't feel the urge of buying it, because I personally don't use lip oils, and the only lip oil I ever used was by ColourPop, and I still have it and I still use it. And I generally don't use lip oils. I'm more of a lip balm person, or if I'm feeling extremely dry, the best thing works on my lip is a clear gloss. So I have realized this thing about my lips, that I just don't like lip oils as much. They don't do anything to my lips. They're not a very active product onto my lips. So why to waste money? And that to their high gloss lip oil. So अभी इसी में ऐसा हो रहा है कि ग्लॉस में ही लिप ऑयल भी है, फिर उसमें पिगमेंट भी है. सो थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. मतलब अगर आपको एक लिप ऑयल लॉन्च करना है तो आई डू फील इट शुड बी अ क्लियर वन ओनली. बहुत से ब्रांड्स ने क्लियर वाला लॉन्च किया है, दैट इज गुड इनफ. लिप ऑयल हैज़ टू बी लाइक अ लिप ऑयल, बट थोड़ा सा इधर pigmentation and all that, which is a little bit turn off for me. I just don't like skincare to be mixed with makeup. So on that note, I do feel that I'm not going to buy this product. It's not very expensive also, but I just don't want to buy it because I just don't feel the urge of buying it. So think about it and then buy yours if you're interested in this product. Now let's talk about some MAC lipsticks. So this is something which I'm eyeing, and I know I'm going to definitely buy it, and only one shade particularly. And iske sath I will try the new matte formula also of MAC, is the MAC Maximal Matte Lipstick in the shade Soar. Now this is being priced at 2,550 rupees, and I'm interested in the shade Soar particularly. It just looks the best, and I do feel this shade is going to complement almost every Indian skin tone, and it is going to look very different as the skin tone varies. And for my skin, it is just going to add the right amount of warmth, and it is not a lipstick very deep, but it's not very nudie. It's somewhere in between, like a universal lip shade video you have seen mine, that kind of a shade. So yes, I'm definitely buying the MAC lipstick soon. Jaldi se koi occasion aane do, I'm just going to tell my husband get me that lipstick. Okay, jokes apart, let's move on to the next product. Is the Lakme 9 to 5 Iconic Creme Powder Shadow, the stack shadows. Now frankly speaking, Lakme is also being launching a lot of different products, and I've been definitely loving all of the different launches they're doing, but this one is not the best. Now frankly speaking, I went to the store and I did happen to see it from far. I did not check it paas mein jaake, and frankly speaking, I did just did not feel the urge of going and checking it out also, because Lakme के थोड़े से ये वाले products ना थोड़ा less pigmented है, थोड़ा powdery है, थोड़ा chalky भी है, और ये थोड़े creme powder वाला formula है. So formula ही altogether different है. So I don't want to take that risk. क्योंकि if you have seen my last Lakme video where I talked about these blush highlighter which are very affordable ones, the new launches, they were very powdery and very chalky. So this one also, nailing a creme and a powder formula is not very easy for a brand, and that too with the pricing of $6.99. My expectations are not very high with this product. For those reasons, I'm not going to buy it. If you have tried it, do share your comments, leave it down. Because agar acha hai to why not? Because Stax gets very convenient to travel with as well. So let me know if you have tried, but I don't see myself buying this product. So Lakme ने एक और product launch किया है, which just reminded me of Kiro stackable lipsticks. They look very similar, but Lakme got me with a price of 499 rupees, wherein I get 4 in lip stack, and there are 4 to 5 different variants to choose from, and they are priced at 499. This I'm definitely buying. Reason being, Lakme lipsticks I have always loved, always, and the formula here is mostly matte and it's a liquid lipstick, so it is going to work beautifully onto my lips, and this is an existing lipstick in a stack form. So for those reasons, I'm definitely buying, and this can be a good gifting option also. If you are eyeing to gift something like a lipstick to a friend, this is a better option, and you can buy 2 stacks, so your friend will have 8 different shades to wear. So yes, for those reasons, I'm definitely buying this one, and I'm just going to keep it in my handbag. So easy and convenient. I'll have 4 different shades to carry with me, sorry. Now let's move on to some more interesting products. Now quickly talking about some Swiss Beauty products, because now Swiss Beauty also transitioned a bit. So what happened, Swiss Beauty had a different range of product, Craze. They were only selling it on purple.com. Now recently they have moved all the Craze product to Nykaa as well as on their brand website. So I'm really happy on that part. So I'm eyeing 2-3 products, and maybe I'm going to miss out on some as well. So the product I'm interested in getting is Swiss Beauty Craze Duo 2-in-1 satin matte lipstick, and these are priced at $299. So basically they have dual-ended lipstick, so you have 2 shades in one, and it is only for $299. And generally Swiss Beauty की सारी लिपस्टिक्स के फॉर्मूला अब तक जो मैंने ट्राई किए हैं मुझे सारे अच्छे लगे हैं. सो मेरी होप्स इस वाली लिपस्टिक से भी बहुत अच्छी है. क्रीमी है, बट मुझे लगता है कि ज़्यादा स्लिपरी या ज़्यादा मूविंग लिपस्टिक नहीं होगी, बट थोड़ा शाइन होगा और थोड़ी क्रीमी एंड ग्लॉसी टाइप होगी. सो लेट मी ट्राई इट, बट आई एम डेफिनेटली गेटिंग एटलीस्ट 2 of these just to test it out, and then further I'll share my experience as well in some video with you. But I'm definitely getting the satin matte finish lipsticks. Further, I'm interested in another lipstick formula, which is the Swiss Beauty My Shine High Pigmented and Long Lasting Lipstick. Now ये lipstick तो मुझे completely high gloss lipstick ही लगती हैं. When I see the swatches of these lipsticks, they remind me of Just Herb lip ink lipsticks. Now let me get them because they are into a bullet format, so I'm not expecting too much of a longevity with them, but I'm definitely expecting that plumpiness with the lipstick onto the lips. So what exactly this can do for me is, if I'm wearing a matte lipstick, I can just do a little light touch up with the lipstick and I'll have that nice glossy lip going on. So this is what I'm expecting out of the formula, but let me see, let me get it, then I'll share my thoughts and my review. But this is also something I'm eyeing because this is also not very expensive and something I trust the brand. So मुझे लग रहा है कि it will not go as a waste. So when I'm in a doubt or when I'm not sure, I generally go with one buying only, one quantity only I will buy. I will try the formula, I really like it, then I decide, okay, let me get 4 more shades and then do a complete review and a swatch video. If I don't feel the formula is really wow, then that product will make it to my mini review or a speed review, where I talked quickly about that product, if it is a hit or a miss. So do check out my speed reviews and mini reviews as well. काफ़ी products के बारे में बात करती हूँ मैं. Mini reviews and speed reviews में generally I talk about 6 to 7 products. So do check that out. Next up, I really want to get this product by Swiss Beauty again from the Craze family. The 2-in-1 pore minimizing primer, and you call it as a glow moisturizer with moringa oil. It is priced at $399. Currently they are selling for 327 rupees. It further or discounted hoga. Now the only reason I want to get this one, it's a primer, it's a glow primer, and as the summer hits, summer passes by a little, when winters approach करने लग जाते हैं तो I like to have primers like these, and if I'm wearing a super matte foundation also I like to have primers which has glow into it, because then it balances out your flat out matte foundation and it just have that nice diffused radiance underneath. So for those reasons I want to get this primer, and I really like the packaging on this product. That is again another buying factor here. So sometimes we buy a product for the packaging itself, so ये भी goof ups हो जाते हैं. So never buy a product for its packaging, because I've done this in the past. Now quickly talking about the two products by Swiss Beauty which I'm not gonna buy. It is Swiss Beauty Color Play 5-in-1 Water Eyeliner Palette. The only reason I'm not gonna buy it because I don't use such liners, and I'm not into graphic lining. I'm a different content creator altogether. I think my content relates with people who are on the go. They do their daily makeup, night makeup. घर में आप रहते हो, आपको मेकअप करना आना चाहिए. That kind of a content creator I am, wherein I can help you with all of these things, even if you want to do professional makeup. But then I don't use such liners. They are not of any use to me. I don't see even myself showing you some different sort of eye looks with it. So for those reasons I'm not going to buy it. I know the product must be performing, but if you are a makeup artist who plays with a lot of different colors, then you can check this product out, because compared to many high-end or many other brands, this is pretty affordable. Pretty affordable. So मुझे नीड नहीं लगती, इसीलिए I'm not going to buy it, but the product looks very promising. Moving on to another Swiss Beauty product is the Dip Tint Color Changing pH Lip Oil. Now they again another brand who's selling lip oil, but ये pH based है, तो आप lips पे जब लगाओगे तो it will change to a color according to your body heat and pH level. Now again I don't like such lip oils or color changing lip oils, because I really don't want to be surprised with a vague color, because I really don't know उसको लगाती ये pink आएगा, red आएगा कि raspberry color आएगा, and all the three colors I don't like onto my lips in a lip oil or a lip gloss format. I like something more warmer or something which is not very too shown up onto my skin. So I have a very different preference in lip glosses. I don't like that pH color changing colors. So for those reasons I don't want to buy this product. It is pretty affordable, 299 का ही है as of now. Nykaa is selling for 215 rupees. If you are into it, you can definitely try this one, but I am not going to buy it. Next up we have a product again which I'm not going to buy, because I'm pretty shocked why brand launched this product altogether again. Is the PAC Spotlight Liquid Foundation. Spotlight Liquid Foundation. And this was already there with them, just like the Studio one, and they happened to launch it again, and that too in 1 2 3 4 5 6 12 shades. Now the only reason I don't want to buy this, firstly they have very minimal shades, that is another thing only. But why am I buying the same foundation? A little different formula भी होगा यहाँ पे, but अभी आपने कुछ दिन पहले ही तो मुझे बोला था कि this is the life changing foundation, nothing like this you would have seen in the market, and then you're countering your own product by launching another baby product, Spotlight Foundation. So you're countering your own launch. For I personally feel this. So मुझे समझ नहीं आया, तो मतलब जो पहले ही existing था आप उसको बेचते ही रहते, and then you just launched a Spotlight and it was like the overhyped product altogether. The launch was overhyped, and then again the same product, revamped packaging, you selling it again. So it got a little too much for me, and for those reasons I'm not gonna buy, because it's like a very nice marketing strategy it is. Sorry to say, every brand does it. बस पैक ने कुछ ज़्यादा ही जल्दी कर दिया है. मतलब I felt they could have given a little break and then they would have launched this foundation. What was the urgency to launch a foundation, then a foundation? So why am I going to spend so much of money on a foundation which is for 1295, and that too from the same brand, and I'm already loving the first launch, and now you're taking that love from there and transferring to another one? Not happening. For those reasons I'm not buying. So मैं इसको रिव्यू भी नहीं करूँगी, मुझे मत बोलना खरीदने के लिए. I'm not buying it. Now let's move on to another PAC product which I may buy. Is the may buy is the PAC XOXO lip crayon which is priced at 795 rupees. Now this caught my eye because it's a lip crayon. In a very long time I've not tried a lip crayon after the color chemistry one, as much as I remember, and I really want to try some more lip crayons because जो lip crayons का formula होता है ना, वो बहुत different होता है आपके lipstick formula से. So for those reasons I want to try this, and how different it is from many other brands, or for that matter PAC in itself has so many different formulas. So how different is this one? So for those reasons I may try this, but I would not promise you that I would buy this, because I personally believe that I already own a lot of different lipstick formula, and I myself look forward for new launches in lipstick category, but the formula has to be different and promising. Like Just Hub launched like 6 different formulas in past 3 to 4 months, and all are different from each other. The brand itself could launch different formulas on different scale, different pricing, different packaging, and different shades. So I want something like that. So maybe I will buy this. Let me see. I've still not made up my mind. Quickly moving into this video, because I really don't want to make this video super long. So PAC did a collaboration with Sara Sarosh. Now a lot of products were launched here. Which are the products I wish to buy? Is only one product I wish to buy. Is the PAC into Sara Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Turkish Delight. That's the only thing I want to buy. Reason being, I love creme blushes, you know, but the formula here seems pretty different from many other blushes I've tried so far. And I really like how the blush applies on various different skin. So for those reasons, I really want to get the blush. And it is not very expensive also. It is very rightly priced and it looks very nice. So for those reasons, I'm definitely trying the Sara blush. Now talking about the Dewy Hydrating Mist, frankly speaking, being a combination to oily skin, this is the product I should be like keeping myself far away. For those reasons, I'm not going to buy, because I know product like this are going to give some skin problems. थोड़े zits हो जाएंगे, pores थोड़ा clog भी feel कर सकते हैं, because over the years I've realized some things are just not made for my skin type, and for those reasons I'm not going to buy this mist. Even the Sara Dare to Dream brush kit, frankly speaking, for 3,795, it is not the best deal. Though I will tell you, PAC Cosmetic itself has good brush sets which are much cheaper than the price point they have laid on this set. And all the brushes don't seem very functional on my face that is round and big. I'm being very realistic here. I have a lot of brushes. My brush collection is equivalent to my makeup collection, and I personally feel this is not the set. It's not a complete set, I would say. होंगे सारे ब्रश फंक्शनल होंगे किसी के लिए, बट मुझे लगता है कि मेरे लिए पूरी तरह फंक्शनल नहीं है. So for those reasons, I'm not going to buy this. I have a lot of PAC brushes. I would highly recommend you try the 24 brush kit, which is only for 7,000 rupees. You're getting 24 brushes there. I have that set. You have a limited edition brush set also, which is less than 3,000 rupees, wherein you get 15 brushes. So you have more better brush sets in PAC itself. Why this one? I know it was a collaboration thing, but then my money is going to be spent here. So for those reasons, I'm not going to buy this set because it's not fully functional for me. If it is working fine for you, it's very good, then go ahead and use it. But this is what I felt for the brush set. So I'm just going to buy the blush. Now let's move on to some more products. So I'm down with only three products, sorry. So M Caffeine. So I've been loving M Caffeine products, I'm going to tell you. So M Caffeine Blueberry Breeze Body Scrub for glowing skin. I am buying this because M Caffeine is being killing the skincare game, and I'm loving all of their sunscreens and the skincare products. So I'm definitely buying this one because बहुत गर्मी है, tanning हो ही जाती है, थोड़ी smoothness तो चाहिए skin पर, and this whole range looks very vibrant and very nice and very promising. So for those reasons, I'm definitely buying this body scrub, and it is priced at 449. But I'll tell you, M Caffeine itself has a lot of amazing offers. M Caffeine की वेबसाइट से लेना, आपके काफ़ी पैसे बच जाएंगे. Next up, we have two Hyphen products. So Hyphen Clearing Acne Cleanser with the 2% salicylic acid, and it is an anti-acne face wash for oil control. Again, Hyphen products are priced so well. It is priced at 299. नायका पे अभी भी ये 269 का है, और Hyphen पे भी बहुत अच्छे ऑफर्स होते थे. चेक आउट Hyphen बिफोर बाइंग फ्रॉम Nykaa straight away. So this cleanser, why I want to buy, because you know I'm a combination to oily skin and acne prone skin as well. थोड़े बहुत आ जाते हैं गर्मियों में, and investing in a good cleanser is something which you should do. Check your skin, know your skin, and then buy your cleanser. So for those reasons I want to buy, because बहुत से zits इधर उधर आ जाते हैं, and a good cleanser like this will dry out those acnes instantly क्या होता है, जब वो वॉश करते हो तो सारा डर्ट भी निकल जाता है, simultaneously you start to feel a little dry on those acnes as well. Start treating your acne, and then further you can go with your other anti-acne products. But a good cleanser also makes a big difference into your skincare routine and your skincare. So for those reasons I want to buy this cleanser after finishing a lot of cleanser I already have. So this is definitely going into my wish list. And the last product which I want to grab from Hyphen is the Hyphen Golden Hour Glow Serum with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, which is priced at 649 rupees, and they are selling for 584 on Nykaa as of now in a good discount. So the only reason I want to buy this serum was that I generally don't put a lot of serum onto my skin. I'm very particular about serum, but this is a glow serum which has niacinamide into it. So anything has niacinamide is like a green signal. Go ahead and buy this. Anything has a vitamin C into it, I just avoid myself buying it, because vitamin C does not complement my skin, does not go well with my other skincare products, and my skin does not like vitamin C for some reason. ये change काफ़ी सालों बाद आया है, so I have stopped using vitamin C, but niacinamide is something which I love. So this Hyphen serum I really want to buy because I've heard such good things about it, and after using some Hyphen products I know it's gonna work. For some reason I just know it's gonna work, and it is going to work above my expectations. So for those reasons I want to get this product, and that core ingredient niacinamide into it. It's going to give me skin correction, skin brightness, and it's going to heal my acne scars, any kind of pigmentation I have. So for so many different reasons and a lot of nourishment to my skin, why not? So yes, that product also is going into my wish list. And there you discovered the list of product made it to my wish list, and the product I don't wish to buy. I do this every single month, and then I finally make up my mind, okay, this is something which I don't need, and this is something I would go ahead and straight away buy. But still, being a content creator, I do happen to buy a little out of my wish list as well sometimes, because sometimes you only come back and tell me this is the product you should try. So ऐसा भी हो सकता है, the products which made it to my anti-haul, you may not agree with me. So if you have used that product and you feel that I should try it, do leave it down through your comments. If you really loved watching today's video, consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek5. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!